Hello student, this is Vidya Prabodhini College of Commerce, Education, Computer and Management. This is the first college in Goa state that college offers BA B.Ed program. I welcome all the students from the Department of Geography. Here we will know which subject you have to opt in the first year BA B.Ed program. Geography is one of the important subjects. The main objective of geography subject is that to understand the evolution of geography as a discipline, to know the meaning, nature and scope of geography, to introduce the major divisions of geography, to know different career opportunities for the geographers. Then, to understand the concept of universe, galaxies and stars, to understand the different theories of origin of solar system, to know the different motions of Earth and Moon, to understand the process to represent the geographical data through map and diagram. So these are the objectives that will be fulfilled after you are opting the geography subject in the first year. Another, if you take geography method as a B.Ed component, then you will know to which methods are used to teach geography at secondary and higher secondary level, to enable the students to prepare academic planning for geography subject, to know the different teaching aids to be used for classroom teaching. These are the objects. For that we have content. Content for the first year is that evolution of geography as a discipline, definition, meaning, nature and the scope of geography, geography as an interdisciplinary science, and recent trend in geography. Nowadays we can see the GIS, that is a geographical information system, which can be useful for analysis of different type of phenomena. Then major divisions of geography. Within that, general versus regional, physical versus human geography, regional and systematic geography, geographical perspective, and last one, that the career opportunity for the geographer. After completion of geography subject, what are the different career opportunity which are available for you? Then in content, we have to learn the universe, galaxies, stars, theories of origin of the solar system and the earth. In that we have to learn nebular, tidal and binary star theory, earth and moon rotation and revolution, eclipse, and last one that we have to learn the phases of moon. So like that content we have to learn in the first year BA B.Ed if you opt geography as an elective subject. Then if you opt geography method in TY BA B.Ed, then you will know the different teaching method like regional method, project method, journey method. Then what type of planning teacher should prepare before the starting of the academic year, that is year plan, unit plan and lesson plan. Then different teaching aid we have to use. Those ideas you will get in projective and non-projective teaching aid for the geography subject. For this, learning outcome is that students explain the evolution of geography during the course of time. Students explain the meaning, nature and scope of geography. Students explain different divisions of geography with their characteristics. Students knows the different opportunities available for the geographer. Then student explain the concept of universe, galaxies and star. Student explain the theory of nebular, tidal and binary star theory. Student understand the different effect of motion of earth and moon. Then for method, learning outcome is that student apply different method of teaching while teaching geography subject. Students are able to prepare year plan, unit plan and lesson plan. And student uses different teaching aids effectively while teaching geography subject. These are the learning outcomes. So select elective subject in first year BA BEd geography, and in TY BA BEd you have to select geography method as a teaching method for BEd component. Thank you for watching.